So now that Christmas is over and New Year's is over, happy 19, y'all. What is there next to do? Well, gardening, of course. Planting garlic. Let's see that garden. Can I get some daylight, please? Thank you. Well, now that you can actually see the garden, you're wondering, how can you be thinking about gardening now? Let's step inside and I'll show you how to trick garlic for bigger bulbs. The first thing we will need is a container. This one looks fine. The second thing we'll need is soil. That should work. Garlic. What you want to do, early January, early winter, plant the garlic. Tips up, roots down. That's roots. That's tips. Roots down. And now, for the most important part of the trick. See you in a month. Beautiful, sunny, clear day in February. Time to plant the garlic. No, not yet. But it is time to check on it. So right off the bat, we can see some changes. The bulbs have swollen and they have lifted. This tells me that there are roots forming underneath the soil. You can even see possibility of greenery tip coming right off that guy. Overall, pretty good. Couple more steps. And since it's a nice sunny day, give them a taste. Just for a little while. What a difference a couple weeks make. Early March now, and no joke. Big changes. Big changes as well with the garlic. Let's go take a peek. Yep, no joke. Big changes. I love spring and I am excited about the new gardening season. The garlic will be going right there. Maybe 2 on this side, 2 on that side. That is the coolest part of the garden. But for now, they are in my cold frame hoop house, which they actually shouldn't be. I'll explain why when we're in there. It is warm in here. Outside right now, first week of March, it is 10 degrees Celsius, which looks like to be about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And in here, it is 28 degrees Celsius. These are my young starts. My Walla Wallas, February 25th. And my Spanish onions, February 25th. And my red leaf lettuce, same date. Got some peas going. This is my basil and savory. And some nice flowers in the flower baskets. I have my pea fence up, but nothing planted as of yet. And the garlic. Problem with the garlic is back in February, I shouldn't have been putting them out so early into getting some sunlight. They are ready to go out. They want to go out, but the ground is still hard. But they do need water. thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate the views, but it's that like button right down below that really helps out my channel. Let's smash that like button, guys. Show you the more traditional way of planting garlic. Fall time planting. Plant your garlic in fall, and in spring it starts to come up. Moral of the story, guys, is garlic needs cold time. Just wanted to share with you my trick for bigger garlic bulbs with the fridge method. Same thing, garlic needs cold time, whether it's in the fridge or in the ground over winter. Okay guys, next time you'll see these, they will be planted in the garden. Today is planting day. It is now mid-March and time to plant. So the garlic bulbs went into the fridge early January. So it has been 2.5 months. That is enough cold time. 10 weeks in the fridge. Pop them out, plant them up. Thanks for all the likes, guys. Thanks for smashing that like button. Beautiful root structure, sandy soil, and shallow trays. "10 weeks in the refrigerator." So it's as easy as that. You pop them out and you pop them in. Over here I'm going to do a little experiment. Since I have these little guys coming up, I planted in fall time, and I got this guy which I planted in January 2019 in the refrigerator. We're gonna see which ones perform better, that guy or that guy. If you hit that little bell down there, that you'll get some notifications on when these videos will be coming out. The big reveal on which plant did better. Again, guys, I appreciate the views. Garlic planted in fall. Garlic planted right now. See where I left it? Right there. No deeper than that. It's not like tomatoes where you can overbury. Same here. Planted in fall, direct into garden. Planted in January, into refrigerator. We will see who performs and who does not. I assume they're both going to perform. Who performs better? And then one more shot of this guy right there. I really appreciate the views, guys. Thanks so much.